Sometimes when working with Photoshop, you'll be playing around and then all of a sudden it'll just lock you up. It'll act like everything's fine, but nothing's working all of a sudden. You don't understand why. You'll be sitting here with your brush, drawing oranges on a place that should work. I mean, it should show up here, but it's not. I don't understand why. You may be sitting there trying to type and nothing's working for your type. What's going on generally is that you have a small selection made somewhere. There's a marching ant somewhere that you don't see. If you hit Control or Command D, that'll deselect that, and that should allow you to start to draw out or do whatever you're looking to do. There are other options though, so it's possible that you have a type box somewhere small that you don't know that you have. And you're hitting buttons and you're like, nothing's happened because this is painted black or this is invisible and it's still typing. So you'll hit Escape, that'll let you out of it there. The other option is just to hit Command Z, go back, try again. So if you're ever locked up completely and you don't know what to do, hit Command Z, see if that works first. If it doesn't, hit Command D and then Escape. Okay? That should free you up and allow you to work in this. So if you ever have a problem, that's where you need to go.